Hey guys, how's it going? Thanks for joining in. I know it's been a while since my last video, but yeah, things have been crazy. I've done a whole lot of stuff to the bike, so I thought I'd quickly run through what I've done. So we did a new large oilie, and we've got a clutch weight on inside it, just a small one. It makes the bike feel really nice. I've run a new fuel line on this side, and a new little fuel filter, and an inlet manifold into the ignition. So, but the big talking point today will be this new tank that we've put on. So it's a low tank. It's very interesting. We pump fuel back into this tank, and then we use the fuel from this tank in a regular fashion. But yeah, so I thought I'd take you through the entire bike, all the upgrades that we've done to this basic KTM 450 EXC. So I'll start from the rear and work my way forwards. Luggage rack, got a smaller sprocket on the back to give us a bit of top end. We've got rally mousses and tyres, front and rear. Got a bigger sprocket in the front, not a 13 or a 14. We've got just replacement plastics on here. I bought the originals in a box. The big oilie I told you about. We got the wider foot pegs. We got the low tank with the pump inside and a separate little fuel pump. We've got this exhaust here. So the original exhaust goes a bit lower, it will touch here. So we've got a new header section, and then a new aftermarket tailpipe. We've got springs inside, readjusted springs. We've got a Garmin. We've got the Nomad tower. We've got two trip and cap, but they're the RNS GFXs, so they can do all of them. We've got a free to race roadbook holder. I added, I don't know if you remember, but I made two of these little brackets to hold the roadbook holder on. Anyway, I bought two. They were, I don't know, starting to move a little bit, so I bought these. But otherwise, not much in the front here. I've taken out the ignition, taken out my little security switch. I've got this wired in directly into the RNS, the GPS, little holder in the front here. Yeah, obviously new springs, but that's about it. So this is the last time I'm going to see my bike until the rally. And yeah, can't wait. Got 5 weeks. Gonna hit the gym, try and get a little bit more fit. Been growing. What else can I say? Yeah, not much. All looks good. I'll see you at the next video. Which will be at the rally. But yeah, let me give you a little quick walk around. Absolutely mind-blowing, in my humble opinion. Absolutely mind-blowing. So yeah, sorry it's a bit late. Went as close to this. That's what I'm going to be seeing for a long time. She's looking good. Alright guys, I'll see you at the next at the rally with my bike, and hopefully keep you updated in the meantime.